madness.
Hello everyone, welcome to Tuhin editing, and today I'm going to show you how to hide the perspective grid in Adobe Illustrator CC. So sometimes when working in Illustrator, uh, you see this perspective grid tool. This one is activated maybe accidentally, and for the first time it was a very difficult thing for me to hide, because when you click on this it's not going to change, and when you go to selection tool and try to change it, it's not going anywhere. So to remove the perspective grid tool or hide the grid, you just need to go back to the perspective grid tool, and you can see there's a little cross over there. Just click on it, hide grid, and see it. Let's bring it back. Make sure when you press on the cross, you are selected the perspective grid tool, because the selection tool or any other tool won't hide it. And there is another way. You can go to the window, you can go to the view, perspective grid, hide grid. And another thing you can do, pressing the shift, control and I. This is also the shortcut for bringing it back, shift, control I. So it's pretty easy to hide the perspective grid tool. So I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.